It's Margarita, and I am back with another review from my favorite clothing brand, Bombshell Sportswear.
Something that I see in you. I like that you know it too. The way that you do what you do.
Y'all, it has been all about the leggings for me. It seems like every week Bombshell has been releasing and another one and another one. They've been on it for fall. They've got new colors. They've got updated styles. What I've been noticing they've been doing is taking old styles that they had and perfecting upon them, which I think is great. They have been removing the front seam from the leggings. They have been adding the side pockets to them, and I am here for all of that. That said, I wanted to check out the pocket rib legging. I bought these in two colors. I bought them in the forest green and the burnt orange. I love colors. So let's see what they look like. Y'all, do these not say I am ready for fall? Look at these colors. Oh my goodness. Green is one of my colors. It complements my skin well. If you have olive skin or green undertones in your skin, honey, that green is for you. I've also got red undertones, so the burnt orange worked for me. These colors are awesome. I love the texture. I wish y'all could feel this. The texture in the fabric is good because it's ribbed, but it's not to the hand or to the touch. It's not groovy. It's still pretty smooth, but it's just got that lovely look. You can see the contrast and the stitching between each rib. I love it. I love the metal placard here. I love that they added pockets, and there's pockets on both legs, not just one, because a lot of their pocket leggings only have a pocket on one side, and I am all about symmetry, if you know me. So it's got pockets on both sides. For reference, I am a size small usually in Bombshell items. I'm 5 feet 3 inches tall, and I toggle between 138 and 140 pounds, so I'm in that window, and I usually get a size small, and it's pretty fine. The legs are usually a bit tight, and the waistband is usually a bit wide. Now, I spoke to someone at the brand yesterday, and they told me the differential between sizes is usually 1 inch. So 1 inch in circumference for the thigh, and 1 inch in the diameter for the waist. So I would love to, if they could find a way to put the extra small waist on the medium leg, that would be perfect. Like I wish, it's like a Build-A-Bear. I wish we could customize. That would be wonderful. So to offset the waist, I'd rather have a tighter leg than a looser waist. So I just get the size small. But perfectly for me would be the medium leg and the extra small waist. But I digress. It is what it is. So I usually do okay with the smalls. The waistband is not as high in the back, which I absolutely love. Oh my goodness, I have been begging for a slightly shorter waistband, and the height doesn't seem to be as high as usual. The height in the front, however, this is one of the things that killed this garment for me. Yes, these have to go back. Here's why. Ironically, the main reason that I have to send items back to Bombshell is not the reason I have to send these back. It's usually the waistband, but on these, it's the butt. Yes, the butt looks terrible on the pocket rib leggings. Oh my goodness, this seam is so basic that it does not give you any type of contouring, and in fact, it's almost compressive. Nobody wants all the work that they've done on their glutes to go unnoticed, okay, if you know what I mean, ladies. These pocket rib leggings do not complement the butt. They don't. They take away all that work you did to the eye. These, if you want to make your butt look smaller, yes, go for them. This is great because they will hold in all the butt. Also, the way this seam, the dip of the waist falls right into the straight seam, it can make your butt look longer, like the oh my goodness, I'm trying to be clean on here. But there's this meme that goes around on social media I've seen called long ass day. Emphasis on long ass. Yes, this will make your behind look longer. It is really weird. So not only does it flatten the butt, it makes it look longer. So you basically end up looking like SpongeBob SquarePants in these pants. Ladies, no bueno, okay? That is not what we want. So as much as I love the brand Bombshell, I love you. And as much as I love that they took away the front seam on the rib leggings and they added these pockets, I love that. Honey, if the booty don't look right, these cannot be worn. And as a result, these are going back. Wonderful job on these couple of colors though. I do love the colors. The waistband is not my favorite, but I couldn't even focus on that because of the butt. So if these had a scrunch butt, that might actually help because it will at least give some type of contour to the cheeks. But this right here, this flatness, this straight up and down and straight across, no ma'am. I couldn't do it. So they're going back. The fit was pretty good in the leg, but emphasis on the butt. The fact that it took away my work that I've been doing in the gym in the back, they have to go back. And for the price point, I think these were like $89, somewhere thereabout. I'm not paying close to $100 for something that takes away everything I've worked for. You know what I mean? So these have to go back. But let me know if these have worked for you. If so, what is your body style? You know, do you have a wider hip? Do you have like what type of features do you have that made these work for you? I am very interested to know, because a lot of things lately I have had to send back to Bombshell because of how they were cut. It's like the leg, they get that right and then they kill the waist. So the waist is right and then the butt's, you know, just messed up. So I don't know. I do pretty well on the shorts with them, but these leggings as of late, it's been swing and a miss. They have not been knocking it out for me with the leggings. Also, if you're not already, follow me on Instagram at Margarita the Perfumista, as that is where all my fitness content is. And don't forget to like and subscribe as well, because we talk about it all. And until next time, I am Margarita, and you have an awesome day. Bye.
Something that I see in you, I like that you know it too.